Alright guys, a little late this morning. I was having some issues with my platform. So we're watching this LGHL. It's actually halted going down, which is concerning. It broke through the VWAP and all these moving averages. Maybe a dip trade. Halt level was 64, so maybe up over the halt level. I hesitated. I don't know that this gets over 60, and I think that was the amount of bounce we're gonna see. Maybe a bounce off 7, but I'm just hesitating on this one. Over 60, 64 is an entry, but let's see what it does at 7 here. Let's see what this next candle does. Well, you're 705. So now this is, oh my God, I don't know how to turn these off. TFT under the VWAP. I don't feel really good about this one at all. Day over 79. I would buy a dip on this one. Maybe off of 350, 360. 27 million shares of volume. Holy crap. Double tap here at 79. This candle feels like it's taking forever. So over 79. I'm in there. Sold at 84. 25 bucks. I did. There's just a lot of volume on this. So BOXL is actually up considerably. $407 is a resistance. Whole dollar's resistance. $58 is a support level. If I can get a larger dip off of this. It's going to be a lot to break through this whole dollar, though. I mean, at this point, yeah, this does kind of need a 5-minute setup. I'm just going to buy there at 73. My stop will be at 65. Sell half there. Stopped out the rest at 70. It's a false breakout. All right, so I don't really like this chart anymore. False breakout, not only of the first 1 minute candle, but also of high of day. So it really needs to get over the whole dollar for me to be interested again. Jill. Jill halting, going down. Oh wow, look at this. That flush. BOXL. Wish I would have seen what had happened there, if it was just a market order or a sell-off. I just don't see that this one holding up. It's such a good setup though, over 90. For a pullback on ACIU. It's breaking 50. Oh, 70. Oh, we need a pullback here above the VWAP and a hold. Also be good if it held the half dollar. I really need this to hold the VWAP. Got 250 shares there at 62. And I'll add over the whole dollar again. Stop will be below 50. It's holding 50. I'm in small share size, so I think I'm still gonna hold here. I'm gonna stop. I think that this one's still bullish though. I just stopped out to protect, not to really protect profit, but not take get caught in a flush. It's holding 12. I'm gonna actually buy 500 shares here at 12.17. And I'll look to add back over the $0.50. Adding there. And then sold everything at up there. Sold everything up at 12.58, which is fine. Not a convincing breakout. This looks like it's going to be a false breakout candle. So that did end up ripping, but I don't know. Kind of choppy movement. High is 89. So it broke through the highs. I think it hit a high of 99. Hit a high of 13. I didn't see that, but to buy a dip here. I buy there. I'm in at 60. And then I'm looking to add again on a dip here. I'm gonna add again right there. Low is 30. My average is 51. Ooh, I don't like the way that didn't break over the $0.50. I stopped there at, where did I stop? 33 maybe? Yeah, I did not like that at all. Let's see if it could, break back over 12. I'm gonna buy there. Sold. That's a quick 6 cent winner. Just because it's the hold off, just because it's right at the VWAP. It's right under the whole dollar, so I was like, all right, if it can break over that, it's gonna give a little bounce. Okay, so I don't really like ACIU anymore. Low volume, I don't know if might be news on this. Chart pattern is odd. News was at 9:01, so it's a little late to be 50 minutes later. I don't think this one looks good. FSI needs some more volume. FSI almost no volume. RIGL. I was literally watching this when nobody else was earlier, and it wasn't doing nothing. That's crazy. I was waiting on this too. Okay, so the next daily candle make a new high is 389. So we're coming right up to that. Look for a pullback here. It's holding 50. I'm gonna stop. I think that that's gonna flush. It's holding 50. And they're at 56 with 500 shares. Stop will be 50 again. This thing is sluggish. What is going on? There's been like 50,000 shares of volume and it's moved 2 cents. I just hope this doesn't flush. There has to be like a hidden seller or something. I'm stopping. Breakout or bailout, man. This is weird. If it breaks the high of 60, I look to get back in, but I don't. This is a super weird action. OBLG. I really like RIGL though. It's holding 50. I'm in at 53 with 1,000 shares. This is technically still bullish. Stopped. Ah! This is frustrating. That was the weirdest action I've ever seen on an RIGL. I have no idea what was going on there. OBLG failing. disappointing. LGHL would have to get over 7 for me to be interested. I'm in LGHL at 70, so that will be 63 maybe. I'm by there for that double bottom. Average is 55 with 1,000 shares. I need this break 50. I'm gonna stop at 40. Okay, so now I'm down $100 on the day. It's 10 o'clock. Low of day is at 10:23. I'm in there at 60 with 1,000 shares. Target is 70. Put my order at 70. This is triple bottoming here. So I think this breaks to the upside. We've got, oops. We've got this triple bottom forming. It's actually more than that. There we go. So I would have stopped out typically, but it's just the fact that, you know, I was down 30 cents holding 1,000 shares. But if you look at this, you see right here, 1, 2, 3 candles all bottoming out at almost the exact same price. That kind of signals like there was some serious selling going into these and they were not breaking. So that just kind of signaled that to me that this was going to reverse. And it was also over here. So you have 1, 2, maybe 3 candles bottoming out over here. That's low of day. It wasn't gonna, it was a risk. It was either gonna break through convincingly and flush hard, or it was gonna hold, and I just bet that it was gonna hold. So with that, I'm officially like break even on the day. Wait, why am I short 1,000 shares? At 1070. All right, so hold on, let me see this. Okay, so I just got out break even. I don't know why I went short. I have no idea why I was short 1,000 shares. Maybe I had my profit target there still. Anyway, I stopped out break even, so it doesn't affect anything. So with that, I'm officially break even on the day. Tomorrow, I'm going to review. I think tomorrow is like exactly a month or like 20 days of trading or something like that. From this challenge that I've been doing over the last month, I'm going to evaluate my progress. And I'm going to see, you know, do I have what it takes to open a live account? So stay tuned for that. Still going to trade tomorrow, do whatever, but yeah, we'll get to it. Hopefully we'll get into this live account. All right, I'll see you then.